Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ghost content integrations with Zapier step by step clearly. To authenticate ghost content integrations with Zapier, begin by ensuring you have both a ghost account and a Zapier account. Log into your Ghost admin panel using your credentials. Navigate to the Integrations section in your Ghost dashboard. Click on Zapier within the Integrations menu. Here, you'll find a unique API key that you will need for the authentication process. Copy this API key to your clipboard. Next, log in to your Zapier account. In Zapier, click on Make a Zap to start creating a new integration. Under the Trigger app, search for and select Ghost. Choose the appropriate trigger event that corresponds with your workflow. Click on Continue to proceed. In the next step, you will need to connect your Ghost account. Select Sign in to Ghost to begin the authentication process. A prompt will appear asking for your API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Confirm any additional details required by Zapier for the Ghost connection. Once the API key is validated, click Continue. Zapier will now display your Ghost account information. Select the specific content you wish to integrate and click Continue. You can now test your Ghost trigger to ensure it's working correctly. If the test is successful, proceed to set up the action step in your Zap. Choose the action app where you want to send your Ghost content. Follow the prompts to configure the action step accordingly. After setting everything up, review your Zap for accuracy. Finally, turn on your Zap to activate the integration. Your Ghost content is now successfully integrated with Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.